How to activate United Chase credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate United Chase credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Activate United Chase credit card. And there you'll find a website by Chase Bank on how they can teach you to activate your new credit cards. So as they say right here, you can activate the card by simply calling the number on the card. So as they say, call the number on the card, look for the sticker on your credit card that contains the instruction. So there you will find a toll-free number where you can simply call and follow an instruction given by a voice operator. So yeah, you may be instructed to put your card number over the phone or a secure PIN to complete the verification process. That's how you do it from the number on the card. The second one is by activating it online. So on the very same sticker on your credit card, there might be a link to a website. So just head over to that website and just follow a set of directions. Since I don't have that website link, I can't show you, but just type that link on your web browser. After you do that, you will then need to verify your credit card number and some security questions. And after that, your card will get activated. And that's basically it, guys. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.